Hello students, for this instructional video we are going to go over my example problem solution essay. So like with all essays in my class, we start off in Times New Roman, size 12 font, and we go to double space, so line spacing double. Don't add any extra spaces anywhere. Let's go ahead and take a look at our header. Starts with your name, the course name, teacher name, and then the due date. I just did my date as the day I wrote it. Here's my title, How to Fix Student Loan Debt Repayment Issues. First we have our introduction paragraph. In the introduction paragraph I have an hook or attention getter, I have background information on the topic, and I end with my thesis, which states, therefore more education should be available to those taking out loans, and the two political parties in the U.S. should band together to find a solution to this problem. I'm talking about student loan debt and the problems with that. So in my introduction I have all that background information that's important. I have shocking statistics throughout, and my solution is my thesis statement. My body paragraph 1 explains the problem in detail and informs the reader as to why they should care about the issue. So here we talk about how undeniable the problem is. Again, another statistic. And here I'm just talking about how prominent the problem is, what college students are doing about the problem, and how many people the problem is affecting. Body paragraph 2 is where I offer at least 2 logical and possible solutions to the problem. I also explain why each solution will be good, and I possibly address why some people might object to the solution. If you want to do one solution in one paragraph and another solution in another paragraph, that's fine. I just did my both in one. So here, let me find the start to my first solution. So here we just talk about our solution. Okay, here I talk about my first step, which is how we should educate college students on how interest rates work and how student loan repayments work to help them solve the problem. And then I talk about how politics should get involved. So there's my essay, my second paragraph of my essay there. And then we jump down to my conclusion. Again, it's short and sweet. I am restating the thesis, restating my main ideas, and ending with what my solution would be. So go ahead and read through my example. I didn't want to read through all parts with you because you can do that yourself, but I did want to highlight a couple things. Please let me know if you have any questions, and have a wonderful day.